What started as a happy holiday for an entire Indian family turned into a heartbreaking tragedy in America. A family of four from Hyderabad, India, a couple and their young children, and that too two, were burnt in a horrifying car crash in Greene County, United States, just outside Dallas. According to local reports, the family had been enjoying a trip across states. They had recently visited their relatives in Atlanta and they were returning to Dallas when this unimaginable incident happened with them. A mini truck driving on the wrong side of the road slammed head on into their car. The collision was so severe that the car bursted into flames within seconds, leaving the entire family trapped inside with no chance to escape. In the meantime, the victim had been identified as Tejaswini, her husband Shri Venkat, and their two young children. Sadly, the fire was so intense that the car was reduced to ashes. Only their bones were recovered from the incident. In fact, the authorities are now relying on DNA testing to confirm the identities before the remains can be handed over to their devastated relatives. But sadly, you know what? This isn't the first such tragedy. Just some time back in September 2024, four Indian nationals were also killed in a fierce car crash near Dallas. In that particular case, they were carpooling when a speeding truck rear-ended their SUV, causing it to explode into flames. The victims were sadly all promising individuals whose lives were cut short in an instant. Wait. In another painful reminder, a crash in August 2024 took the lives of an Indian origin couple and their daughter, leaving only their teenage son alive. Their car too caught fire after being struck by another vehicle. Now, these incidents have shaken the entire Indian community in America. For many Indian families, a trip to the US symbolizes dreams, opportunity, and togetherness. But increasingly, road accidents, specifically those involving reckless or wrong side driving, are turning dreams into ashes. It raises tough questions. Are safety measures enough on American roads? Are travelers aware of how quickly things can actually change? For now, families grieving, communities mourning, and another set of Indian names is added to the growing list of lives that are lost far from home. The tragedy in Greene County is not just another accident, it is a reminder of how fragile life can be when you are thousands of miles away chasing your joy with your loved ones.